So what we have covered so far is the introduction brief. அதுக்கப்புறம் lymphatic systemனா என்ன, blood vascular systemனா என்ன, what are temperaments, how do you identify the three different types of temperaments, and what was the basic principle of Count Caesar Matti. இது வரைக்கும் இது பார்த்திருக்கோம். Okay, so quickly today what we are going to see is, okay, now in electrohomeopathy the medicines, okay, the medicines, there are 114 plants. That's what we said. There are 114 plants in electrohomeopathy. These 114 plants, okay, in the 114 plants are divided into certain groups. Okay, are divided into certain groups, and the total number of them is 38. So 114 is a big number of plants, and the 114 has been subdivided into 38. So what we need to understand is, what are those 38, okay, plants or combinations in electrohomeopathy. There are 38 combinations in electrohomeopathy. Okay, இதுவும் ஒரு சின்ன ஷார்ட் வீடியோல, லாங் வீடியோவே அவைலபிள் இருக்கு யூடியூப்ல. Okay, the plants or the groups in electrohomeopathy in சொல்லி there is a video of that video also you can see it. Alright, so in the 38 அப்படின்னு பார்க்கும்போது, okay, Matti has divided the entire electrohomeopathy into certain groups. என்னென்ன groups அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, first group is called Scrofoloso. Okay, first group is called Scrofoloso. I will share the screen now. First group is called Scrofoloso. Okay, you are able to see the screen, right? First group is Scrofoloso. Second group, Canceroso. First group is called Scrofoloso. Second group is called Canceroso. Okay, second group is called Scrofoloso. Okay, third group, Lymphatico. Third group is called Lymphatico. Okay, the fourth group, Petrole group. The fourth group is called Petrole group. Okay, now the fifth group, Angiotico. The fifth group is called Angiotico. Petrole group, Angiotico. Next group is called Vermifugo. Vermifugo. Then there is a group called Venerio. Then there is a group called Venerio. Okay, இதுக்கப்புறம் Febrifugo, இதுக்கப்புறம் Febrifugo, So Scrofoloso, Canceroso, Petorel, Lymphatico, okay, Lymphatico, Angiotico, Vermifigo, Venereal. Then you have electricities. Then you have electricities. Okay, and the last one you have is APP. Last one what you have is APP. So these are the 10 groups. These are the 10 groups. In Scrofoloso, you have S1, S2, S3, S5, S6, S10, S11 and S12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. S1, S2, S3 and last one is S-. So you have totally 9 medicines in S group. So they are named as S1, S2. We are going to see what S1 is going to do, what S2 is going to do, what S3 is going to do. In Canceroso, you have C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C10. Okay, C10, C13, C15, C17. So total எவ்வளவு இருக்கு 10 medicines. So S group contains 9 medicine as S1, S2, S3, S5, S6, S10, S11, S12 and S-. C group contain 10 medicines C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C10, C13, C17. These are the medicine names, what we call it as medicine names. L group has got 2, L1 and L2. So you have got 2 medicines in L group. Okay, and Petorel will have P1, P2, P3 and P4. There are 4 medicines in Petorel group. There are 4 medicines in Petorel group. A group has got A1, A2, A3. 3 medicines in A group. 3 medicines in A group. Okay. Worm group has worm 1 and worm 2 as 2 medicines. 2 medicine worm group la irukku. 3 medicines in A group, 4 medicines in Petorel group. Next, Venereal. They have got only 1 medicine, Ven1. Venereal has got only 1 medicine as Ven1. Then Febrifugo has got 2 medicine, F1, F2. 2 medicines in Febrifugo. 2 medicines in Febrifugo. Then in electricity you have white electricity, blue electricity, red electricity, green electricity and yellow electricity. Totally 5 electricities in electricity group. Last APP, there is 1 medicine called APP. So how much total? 9 plus 10 19 plus 2 21 plus 4 25 plus 3 28 plus 2 30 31 32 and 5 is 37. Last one is totally you have got 38 medicines. Totally you have got 38 medicines in electrohomeopathy. Okay, so how many medicines totally? 38, 38 medicines in electrohomeopathy. We will call each medicines by their individual name. S1, S2, S3 அந்த மாதிரி இண்டிவிஜுவலாக தான் நேம் கொடுப்போம், இண்டிவிஜுவலாக தான் ஃபார்முலா கிரியேட் பண்ணுவோம். இது ஒரு அட்வான்ஸ் ஸ்டடி தான் வந்துட்டு. Each and every group contains what plant? Why S1? Now we are going to study in basic classes. S1 is for what? S2 is for what? S3 is for what? In advanced class, why S1 is for that? And the why எல்லா whyக்கும் question தான் advanced class. So in the basic classல நம்ம பார்க்கும்போது S1, S2, S3. அப்போ individually let us understand each and every property separately. Okay, now write it. S1. S1 universal remedy ன்னு சொல்றோம். S1 is called universal remedy. S1 is called universal. Universal na S group. S1 நம்ம முன்னாடியும் படிச்சிருக்கோம். Lymphatic temperament அப்படினு இருந்தா S1 கொடுப்போம். Yesterday in the class we have seen if people with lymphatic temperament will give S1 medicine. Yes, one medicine for people with lymphatic temperament. Okay, so people with lymphatic temperament we will be giving as S1. It is a universal medicine for whom lymphatic temperament people it is a universal medicine. Okay, lymphatic temperament people ki the universal medicine. Don't try it for sanguine temperament people. Don't try it for the sanguine temperament people. Done. Now S1 when I say universal remedy, S group generally acts very well on the digestive system also. S group generally they will work on digestive system very well. They will work on digestive system very well. Okay, when I say they work on digestive system very well, it means what? All problem related to digestion. Okay, all problem related. Okay, all problem related to digestion will be solved or will be taken care by the entire S group. இதுல S1 is special because இதுல இருக்கிற plant S1 ல இருக்கிற plant வந்துட்டு it will go very well with all the problems of the lymphatic system. Number of plants, the plants inside S group goes very well with the entire lymphatic system. Okay, so this is S1. S2, all right, S2 will work very well with gallstone, kidney stones, gallbladder stones, kidney stones. S2 works very well. Gallbladder stones and kidney stones, S2. Now gallbladder stones and kidney stones, apart from them, okay, S2 is also a lymph purifier. Lymph purify பண்ணக்கூடிய தன்மை இருக்கு. So generally S2 you will use it for mixed temperament people. Generally you will use it for mixed temperament persons. All right. S1 generally circulation improve பண்ணிவிடும். S1 generally it improves circulation very well. S2 will not improve circulation. அதனால தான் S1 should not be given for sanguine temperament. S2 can be given for mixed temperament. So S2, renal stone, gallbladder stones, renal stones, gallbladder stones. S2, mouth ulcers by S2. S2 is also called female remedy. அப்படினா என்ன? All women related health issues you can give S2. All cycles disturbances, cycles, any form of cycle disturbances, painful, excess flow, no flow, any problem related to female menstruation cycle, S2 can be given. S2 can be given for all problem related to female menstruation problem. So acidity, ulcers, renal stones, gallbladder stones, and all problem related to female. இதுதான் S2. இதுதான் S2. Now S3. S3 எழுதிட்டே போலாம், கடைசியில ரிவைஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். S3 is for male reproductive system. S3 is for male reproductive system. S3 is for male reproductive system. Okay, so specific அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது it is for the male reproductive system. அதுதான் S3. Next, S5. Okay, S5, it is very good for skin. It is very good for skin, and the second remedy for liver. First remedy was what? S2. ஏன்னா liver and gallstone சொல்லியிருக்கோம், so it will work on liver. The second remedy in S group for liver அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா S5. So skinனுக்கு special medicine, at the same time it is a medicine for liver. Skin and liver, it is a very much special medicine. Next, okay, next, S6 for kidneys. S6, it is for the kidneys. S10, S10 for intestines or gastrointestinal tract, GIT. Intestines kum gastrointestinal tract ku S10. Gastrointestinal tract ku S10. S11. S11 பாத்தீங்கன்னா pneumogastric nerve அப்படின்னு ஒன்று இருக்கு. pneumogastric nerve vagus nerve. When you go for outside, நீங்க வெளியே சுத்த போகும்போது உங்களுக்கு தலை சுத்தம், vomiting sensations வரும். So vomiting it is a special medicine. S11. S11 vomiting it is a very much special medicine. Motion sickness இருக்கட்டும், during pregnancy vomiting ஆவும் இருக்கட்டும். Motion sickness or even during pregnancy vomiting. S12, eyes and all problem related to eye diseases. Very good for eyes and any problem related to eye disorders, short sight, long sight, you can definitely utilize S12. Burning in the eyes, conjunctivitis, eye infections, any problem related to eyes, you can utilize this concept. Okay, so this is, and last one is S-lash. S-lash வந்துட்டு large intestine ஓட remedy. S-lash is large intestine remedy. S slash is large intestine remedy. So S group, S group is what? Functional medicine group. S group is generally called as functional medicine group. For example, kidney oda function improve பண்றது S6. Intestine digestion problems improve பண்றது S10. Mouth ulcers, heat in the body S2. So S group ஓட வேலையே functionally நம்மள better பண்றது தான் S group. Functionally நம்மள better பண்றது தான் S group. Functionally நம்மள better பண்றது தான் S group. அப்போ functionally better பண்றதுனா structurally ஒரு group தேவை. Structurally we need another group. C group or cancerous group is called or anti-cancerous group. This belongs to C group. Structural medicine. Structural na enna vidhamana structures? Body la small pimples to big cancer. These are structural changes. Organ is enlarged or shrinked. Structural changes. Bone is degenerated. Structural changes. So any form of structural changes in the body, from ulcers to cancers to degeneration, இது எல்லாமே handled by C group. Ulcer இருக்கட்டும், cancer இருக்கட்டும், degenerative disease ஆவும் இருக்கட்டும், it will be handled by the C group. இப்ப S1 என்ன சொல்லிருக்கோம்? Universal remedy அப்படின்னு சொல்லிருக்கோம். For all diseases you can use S1. அப்ப C1 is all diseases structural remedy ன்னு சொல்றோம். C group is called all disease structural remedy. All disease structural remedy is C group. Okay. அப்போ first medicine C1 is all remedies. Now S2 என்ன பார்த்தோம்? Gallbladder stone, kidney stones, mouth ulcers, female specific remedy ன்னு பார்த்தோம். S groupல S2 பார்த்தோம். அதே S2 என்னென்னலாவோ இது C2 same. ஆனா S2 is functional remedy, C2 is structural remedy. இது functional னா என்ன, C2 னா என்ன, structure னா என்ன? ஒரு uterus எடுத்துக்கங்க. Menstruation ஒழுங்கா form ஆகி போச்சு அப்படின்னா functionally it is good. Uterus fibroids, PCODs, okay, thickened endometrium அப்படின்னா என்னது? Structurally it is disturbed. So structurally disturbed ஆகும்போது C2 கொடுக்கணும், functionally disturbed ஆகும்போது S2 கொடுக்கணும். Functionally disturbed ஆனா S2 கொடுக்கணும். Okay, so S1 பார்த்தாச்சு, C1 பார்த்தாச்சா? S1 universal remedy, C1 வந்துட்டு universal structural remedy. எந்த விதமான ulcers, cancers இருந்தாலும் உங்களுக்கு எதுவுமே தெரியல, if you don't know anything, what should I give? You can give SC1 and S1. S1 should not be given for sanguine or nervous temperament persons. S1 avoid for sanguine and nervous temperament person. Okay, done. So S1 C1, S2 C2. Now S3 enna paathom? Male specific remedy. Functionally S3 enadhu? Male specific remedy. C3 is female specific remedy. C3 is female specific remedy. Done. இப்போ S5 என்ன பார்த்தோம்? Liver ஓட special medicine and functional remedy for the skin. அதுதானே S5. C5 is again structural remedy for the skin, but it is a master degeneration remedy. But it is a master degeneration remedy. C5 is master degeneration remedy is C5. Done. அடுத்தது S10 என்னது? Functional medicine for the intestine, gastrointestinal system. But here C10 is special medicine for gastrointestinal system and liver. Gastrointestinal system க்கும் liver க்கும் இது special medicine. Sorry. C10 க்கு அப்புறம் C15. C15 is structural remedy for gastrointestinal system. Structural remedy, again structural remedy for gastric system. All form of stomach cancers can be taken care. C15, all type of gastrointestinal cancers can be taken care. C10 specially works on liver. இந்த C10 C15 க்கு நடுவுல ஒரு மெடிசன் பார்த்தோம். C13. C13 will work on this tract from the throat till the lungs. From the throat till the lungs, this tract will be taken care by C13. So என்ன problem? Throat related issues, thyroid issues, okay, laryngitis, pharyngitis, wheezing, asthma, any problem related to this zone till this zone will be taken care by C13. Will be taken care by the C13. Done. Last is C17. So C13 எங்க வரும்? Throat to chest. C15 எங்க பார்த்தோம்? Entire digestive system from navel to anus. C17 excretory system ஓட degenerative remedy. C17 excretory system ஓட degeneration remedy தான் C17. எஸ் குரூப் சி குரூப் ஓரளவுக்கு தெரிஞ்சதா? எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் ஆகுதுன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டா போதும். படிக்க படிக்க யூ வில் பிகம் மோர் அண்ட் மோர் கிளியர். படிக்க படிக்க யூ வில் பிகம் மோர் அண்ட் மோர் கிளியர்.
Sir, C10 and C15 almost similar, no sir?
Almost similar. C10 will work exclusively on the liver. நம்ம அட்வான்ஸ் படிக்கும்போது when we know understand the classes, when we study individual medicines. Okay, so C10, C15 especially for gastric, small intestine, but C10 is only for liver, majorly for liver, not only, majorly for liver. All right. So far S group, so S1 C1 universal medicine for function and structure, S2 C2 female specific remedy, S3 C3 male specific remedy, S5 C5 skin remedy, S6 C6 kidney remedy, S10 C10 gastrointestinal system liver, C13 is here, C15 is for the chest and C17 is for the lower abdomen. So C13 from chin to chest, C to C. C15 from the place where the C13 ends, C15 starts till the gastric system. C17 is excretory system. Urinary bladder, kidneys அது எல்லாமே C17 ல தான் வரும். அது எல்லாமே C17 ல தான் வரும். So far S group C group is okay. Oral okay. So somewhere which area has been covered by what medicine we will get an idea. Okay. Apart from S group and C group, the next group what we have or what we have written is L group. L group. What we have written is L group. L group has got two medicines, L1 and L2. L group has got two medicines, L1 and L2. Okay, L1 and L2. Now L namely என்ன இருக்கு? Lymphatico. Namely என்ன இருக்கு? Lymphatico. So L1 and L2 both will work on lymphatic system. Both will work on the lymphatic system. In the L1 அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா you will give it internally. L2 you will use it externally. L1 internally, L2 externally. Okay, so L1 internally, L2 externally. Done. So in the L1 is also called glandular remedy. Glands bodyல இருக்கு thyroid gland எடுத்துக்கங்க, adrenal gland எடுத்துக்கங்க, thymus gland, pituitary gland, thyroid, parathyroid glands, testis, ovaries. எந்த gland இருந்தாலும் L1 will and L2 will work on them. So அப்படினா என்ன? எல்லா functional medicineலயும் L1 add பண்ணும். S1 கொடுத்தா L1, S2 கொடுத்தா L1, S3 கொடுத்தா L1, S5 கொடுத்தா L1, S10 கொடுத்தா L1, S11 கொடுத்தா L1, S12 கொடுத்தா L1, S கொடுத்தாலும் L1. ஏன்னா functional medicine என்ன சொன்னோம் நம்ம? What when we study lymphatic என்ன பார்த்தோம்? ஒரு body நல்லா function பண்ணனும்னா the lymphatic system should also work properly. So everywhere when you give S1 or S group, combine your L group. When you do an S group, combine your L group. Done. அடுத்த group அப்படினு பார்த்தா pectoral. அடுத்த group அப்படினா pectoral group. In the pectoral group அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா they have got 4 medicines. In the pectoral group 4 medicines, they will work on lungs and all problem related to lungs. They will work on lungs and all problem related to the lungs. Okay, adula P1, P1, P2, P3, P4 நாலு இருக்கு. P1 it's a general respiratory doctor மாதிரி, or it will work more on throat. Keyword எழுதிருங்க. P1 வந்துட்டு throatல நல்லா work பண்ணும். P2 bronchi. P2 bronchi. நாளைக்கு எல்லாமே anatomy-யோட quick names மட்டும் பார்க்க போறோம். bronchi na என்ன, ureter na என்ன, எல்லாமே. So bronchi-ல work பண்றது தான் P2, or P2 will work on chronic lung disease. P2 will work on chronic lung disease. Chronic lung disease. அப்ப chronic lung diseasesல என்ன இருக்கும்? phlegm வந்துட்டே இருக்கும். So phlegm and suppurations. சளி வருதுல, infected சளி, infected cough, infected phlegm. இந்த suppurationsல work பண்றது தான் P2. P3 works directly to the lungs. P3 work directly for the lungs. So P1 throat, P2 suppurations of lungs, chronic lung diseases. P3 generally it is going to work on lungs and this passage. இங்கல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆறது தான் bronchi, divide ஆறது right and left bronchi. So from the sternum, bronchi, lungs. நாளைக்கு நம்ம anatomy பண்ணும்போது திருப்பி இதை ரிலேட் பண்ணுவோம் இந்த plants. Okay, so from this bronchi and lungs, P3. P3 female and kids special னு சொல்லுவோம். Female and the kids special அப்படியும் சொல்லுவோம். Female and the kids special. Then last is P4 old age people காக இதுல it is very good. Old age people க்கு இது very good. So P1, P2, P3, P4, 4 P groups. We have seen 9 S group, 10 C group 19, 2 L group 21, 4 P groups 25. 4 P groups, that is 25. Done. Next 2 more. அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா F group, F1, F2. F1 and F2, 2 more group. F1 generally பார்த்தீங்கன்னா brain, nervous system, pain. Brain, nervous systems and pains. F1 will also be helpful for name a febrifugodam. Upper temperature regulation. F1 brain, pain, fever, temperature regulation, nervous system and temperature regulation is F group. F1 internally கொடுப்போம். F2 எங்கெல்லாம் internally கொடுக்கிறோமோ அங்க externally. For example, F1 liver ஓட pain கொடுத்தோம்னா F2 liverக்கு மேல apply பண்ணணும். F1 diabetes கொடுத்தோம்னா F2 should be applied on pancreas. F2 should be applied on the pancreas. Clear? எவ்வளவு ஆச்சு? 9 plus 10, 19 plus 4, 23 plus 2, 25 plus 2, 27. Next medicine in the group la Ven group. Ven group la ஒரே ஒரு plant தான் Ven group, 28th one. Ven group is 28th one. ஒரே ஒரு plant, Venereio. இந்த குரூப்புக்கு பேரு Venereio. Ven 1 அப்படினாலே genetic disorders, STDs or venereal diseases அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Sexually transmitted diseases or venereal diseases. Genetic disorders and STDs இது ரெண்டுத்துலயும் ஹெல்ப் பண்றது தான் Ven group. Like L group is friendly with S group. நம்ம என்ன சொன்னோம்? எல்லா S கூடயும் ஒரு L combine பண்ணிக்கலாம்னு சொன்னோம். Similarly, Ven group is very much friendly with C group. Ven group is very much friendly with C group. So C1 Ven 1, C2 Ven 1, C3 Ven 1, C4 Ven 1. அந்த மாதிரி எல்லா C group கூடயும் நீங்க Ven 1 you can combine. You can combine Ven 1. Okay. Next plant is APP or next group is APP. இதுல ஒரே ஒரு keyword தான் skin special. ஒரே ஒரு keyword தான் skin special. ஒரே ஒரு keyword தான் skin special. எவ்வளவு ஆச்சு? 31 ஆயிடுச்சான்னு பாருங்க. S groupல ஒரு 9, C groupல ஒரு 10, 19, L groupல 2, 21, P groupல 4, 25, worm groupல 2, 27, Ven groupல 1, 28, F group la 30 APP சேர்த்தா 31. 31 ஆச்சா? Next 3 easy to understand. A1, A2, A3. Angioticola A1, A2, A3. Next 3 ரொம்ப easy to understand. நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம் yesterday? We have seen arteries divides into capillaries. From veins it goes. Then it goes to overall circulation. அப்படிதான் பார்த்தோம். Arteriesக்கு medicine அப்படின்னா A1. A1 is a medicine for the arteries. A2 veins. A2 is for veins, varicose vein, venous ulcers, okay, testicular vesicles. எது இருந்தாலும் சரி, எங்க varicose இருந்தாலும் சரி, A2 can be used. A1 capillaries, arteries, A2 veins. Now A3 for the entire circulation of the body. A3 is for the entire circulation of the body. Entire circulation of the body க்கு தான் we have used it.
worm group pockets.
இதோ வந்துடும். Okay, so எங்க இருந்தோம்? APP பார்த்தாச்சு. Petrol A1, A2, A3. Last one for today is worm group. Last one for today is worm group. Worm group, like as the name suggests, vermifugo, deworming க்கு யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய group. All kind of viral, fungal, bacterial, parasitical. எந்த விதமான இன்ஃபெக்ஷன் இருந்தாலும் worm group can be added. C1 கூட worm1 combine பண்ணா அது ஒரு ஆன்டிபயோட்டிக்கா மாறிடுது. அது ஒரு ஆன்டிபயோட்டிக்கா மாறிடும். ஓகே, அது ஒரு ஆன்டிபயோட்டிக்கா மாறிடும். C1 worm1. Then that's why worm1 is special for all kind of bacterial, viral, fungal, any form of infections. Worm1 can be given. எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் worm1 internally கொடுக்குறோமோ அங்கெல்லாம் worm2 externally apply பண்ணுவீங்க. எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் worm1 internally-யோ அங்கங்கெல்லாம் worm2 externally apply பண்ணுவீங்க. Okay.